rifler, serving with care, coating with excellence. ARDURO. Reach the summit of impossibility in hard machining. In hard machining, manufacturers face relentless pressure to cut costs while delivering maximum productivity and quality. Tool wear, downtime, and frequent replacements drive up expenses. With no margin for error, the need for a smarter, more durable solution has never been greater. With ARDURO, manufacturers gain 20 to 50% higher performance in hard machining, extending tool life and reducing costly replacements. Superior chip control and wear protection keep processes stable, while oxidation resistance up to 1,100 degrees Celsius ensures reliability in the toughest conditions. The result? Sustainable cost efficiency across every operation. Application range, end mills, taps, twist drills and micro tools. Machining of hardened tool steels above 55 Rockwell C. Cast iron. Nickel-based and titanium alloys. ARDURO. Reach the summit of impossibility in hard machining.
Voestalpine. One step ahead.